Welcome on my YouTube channel IT Lab Solution. Today I am going to solve an assignment. The name of the assignment is EXP 2022 Excel Chapter 2 Middle Level 2 Vacation Property. Basically it is the second chapter of EXP 2022. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Basically this assignment consists of 12 steps. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name EXP 2022 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet that is required. So we go on our step number 2. This is also the last step of this assignment. So in this step, it is saying that write an a function in cell D9 that calculate the down payment for the mortgage. The down payment is 15% of the purchase price if the customer is considered high risk of, or 5% of the purchase price if considered low risk. The criteria to assess the risk of the loan is based on the credit score value in cell B6. Be sure to use appropriate absolute or mixed cell reference when referring the input value in the range B4 to B6. Then use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell D28. So in this step, we enter a formula in cell D9 to calculate the down payment for the mortgage. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in cell D9 for calculate down payment we enter a function. A function is given below and credit score is smaller than low risk cutoff and range is also given. And high risk down payment, multiply it by house cost and use absolute cell reference. We use absolute cell reference for this one, and for this one. Use absolute cell reference and also low risk payment. Press F4 for absolute cell reference and multiply it by house cost. Press F4 for absolute cell reference and the bracket, press enter. So here is the result that's required for down payment. So copy the formula down to the D29. So our step number 2 is completed. Our step number 3 is enter a formula to calculate the percent financed in cell E9. The percent financed is the amount financed divided it by purchase price. Next, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping cell E28. So in this step, we calculate percent financed in cell E9. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in cell E9 we enter a formula to calculate percent financed is equal to house cost subtract it by down payment and divided by house cost. Press enter. So here is the percent finance. Copy the formula down to the E28. So our step number 3 is completed. So our step number 4 is, I firstly highlighted, enter a formula in cell F9 to calculate the amount financed. The amount financed is the purchase price down payment. After entering the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell F28. In this step, we calculate the amount financed in the cell F9. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in the F9 to calculate amount financed, we enter a formula. Our formula is house cost subtracted by down payment. Press enter. So here is the result. Here is the amount finance that's required. Copy the formula down to the F28. So our step number 4 is completed. Our step number 5 is use the welcome function in cell G9 to look up the mortgage rate based on the customer credit score and the data in the range D4 to E6. Be sure to use appropriate absolute or mixed cell reference. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell G28. So in this step, we insert welcome function in cell G9. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell G9 we enter a formula to calculate mortgage rate. We use welcome function is this one, and lookup value is credit score, and range is D4 to E6. Use absolute cell reference and press 2 to calculate mortgage rate, and close the bracket, press enter. So here is the mortgage rate. Copy the formula down to the G28. So our step number 5 is completed. So basically this assignment consists of 12 steps. I have done 5 steps of this assignment, and our step number 6 is this one. Calculate the rate per period in cell H9. All the mortgage being financed will be paid monthly. After completing the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell H28. So in this step, we calculate the rate per period in cell H9. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell H9 we enter a formula to calculate the rate per period. So press is equal to and G9, which is mortgage rate, divided by 12 for rate per period. Press enter. So here is the result that's required. So copy the formula down to the H28. So our step number 6 is completed. Our step number 7 is this one. Calculate the total number of payment period in cell J9 based on the year finance in cell I9. After completing the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell J28. So in this step, we insert the formula in cell J9 to calculate the total number of payment period. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell J9 we can calculate number of payment period, PMT period. So press is equal to and year multiplied by 12. So it is also saying that copy the formula down So G20, and so our step number 7 is completed. I have done 7 steps of this assignment. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.